realm of magnetic creativity, where imagination meets craftsmanship, there lived a visionary named Oliver. His latest endeavor was no ordinary project. It involved the construction of a spectacular fish pond enveloping a house designed specifically for his beloved turtles. The journey commenced with the careful assembly of magnetic balls, each one intricately placed to create the framework for the turtle house. Oliver envisioned a dwelling that not only provided comfort for his shell companions but also seamlessly blended with the aquatic environment he was about to create. As the walls of the turtle house rose, the surrounding pond began to take shape. Oliver meticulously arranged magnetic balls to form a transparent barrier, allowing a crystal clear view into the underwater world. The design was nothing short of astonishing, creating an immersive experience for both the turtles and anyone fortunate enough to witness the masterpiece. The ASMR aspect of the video unfolded as Oliver delicately connected each magnetic ball, producing a soothing symphony of clicks and snaps. The construction process itself became a therapeutic journey, with the gentle sounds captivating the audience and enhancing the overall sensory experience. With the turtle house complete, it was time to introduce Oliver's aquatic companions to their new haven. The turtles gracefully swam through the clear waters, exploring their surroundings with curiosity. The magnetic pond not only served as a protective barrier but also added an artistic touch to their underwater abode. As viewers marveled at the ingenious creation, Oliver reflected on the harmonious blend of nature and innovation. The ASMR video showcasing the construction of the fish pond around the turtle house became a testament to the boundless possibilities that magnetic balls offered in the realm of DIY artistry. The video, with its awe-inspiring visuals and relaxing sounds, resonated with audiences worldwide. Oliver's dedication to crafting a haven for his turtles had not only shocked and delighted viewers but had also sparked a newfound appreciation for the limitless potential of magnetic ball constructions. In the end, the big fish pond surrounding the